everybody, this is Tish, just doing what you do with Miss Tish. As you can see, I am in my front porch area, walkway area, my front door, which I'm going to be doing some cleanup right here today, this afternoon. Maybe sound tired, I am, but it's something that need to be done today. I was in there potting, redoing some starts, um, pruning them, make sure they have soil, watering them. I fed them last week, and making sure everything was done in there. And took a break, had something to eat. Now I said, let me get out here for at least 4 hours or so to be able to clean up this front area. Well, I want to take you along and show you what I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to redo this whole thing this season. I haven't been out here at all. Stuff is dead inside these potting plants. I need to take everything out. Need to blow it out and sweep. I'm not going to pressure wash the sides or anything. I'm just going to take my broom, wipe it down, and try to reset everything over here. What I'm going to have over here for this year. I do have to wipe off the chairs and stuff. So I just want to take you in and let you see what I'm going to be up to. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And hit that like, thumbs up, as well as the bell, so you can be notified for any other videos that will be coming out soon. Because you know it's garden season, so you know I'll be out here more than ever. All right, stay tuned. Dusty. The first part has been done. It didn't take that long for that. So now I am going to, woo, that's why I have my hair scarf on. Not time to be cute, time to be protected. So the next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna put back over here and go get a pail or something of some soapy water and a rag and wipe up my table and chairs and things that I'm gonna keep, and I'm gonna put them back where I want them, because that's the only thing. This is what I'm taking care of today. And I also probably might wipe my door frame and stuff off, but I still have to take care of the plants right here. Not putting new plants out yet, but take care of this area right here before I get ready for the mulch. As you can see, I was pulling up some of the weeds that was on the side. Picking some more right here in the middle. And over here. Because the grass still got to be cut. So I'm going to take care of that and work my way over here and see how much I'm going to do today with this. I know some things I'm not going to put back over there. I'm thinking not to. And just changing up just a little bit. So let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, well, I'm back. I went and got some warm soapy water. Put a little Dawn liquid soap dish detergent in it. Got me some rags. Got me some all-purpose cleaner. And I'm going to start by, oh, this ain't working right there. Here. Let's see. That's not a good spray. There you go. I'm going to clean my door and around and just wipe it off. Wipe the door off, get that clean up, and then I'm going to start working on my front door furniture. Easy way to do this is probably pressure wash, but since I don't have a pressure washer, and that's probably got to get done soon, but it's not going to be done right now. So since it's not, I'm just going to clean off this, and I'll probably get one of them brushes I got in the back and do the sides of the wall, but not today. Just want to clean this door off some. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up as well as hit that bell so you can get more notifications of videos to come. Be blessed. So now I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning off these different items that was on the porch. I'm going to scrub them a little bit with a rag, just wipe them off, spray it. So that is it for me cleaning those, and the next footage you'll see is me putting it back on the porch, the breezeway. So you see what I have it set up as. I haven't put any more pots up there yet because I'm dumping all the soil out my pots so we can get ready for fresh soil and new flowers based on what I put up there. So stay tuned. Okay, so let me make sure this is straight a little bit. Sorry about that. Take that. There you go. Okay, so what I did, I didn't bring the tall plant stand back. I decided just to use the white one over here. I do have my little small one right here. I'm not for sure I'm gonna keep it there. But I didn't want this chair all the way back in the corner. I didn't think it would be. I could. This could be okay. But I wanted this right beside it. And that'd be a great little place if I want to come out and sit right here. And I like this little table. And I didn't want the opening for the back, but I didn't want it all the way against this corner. So I'm not for sure, do I want it right there? Or do I want to just bring it back up like I had it? Have it right here. This is what I think I want, right, just like this. And have that open piece right there. And don't know what I'm gonna put over here, if I'm gonna put anything right up in here. Don't know. So my thoughts is just to leave it like that, but I don't want it to block too much of when you walking in. You know, when you turn around, you walk in. Don't want to be bumping nowhere. But I think it's a good place right there. That's right there. Something plain, something not too much. And what I'm gonna do is put one of my pots. I have a couple of planters that I want to put on these. This one, I haven't found anything yet. I want to put here maybe a little decorative flower pot. No, a water spigot container. Maybe one of those. Not for sure yet. Something maybe light up. Well, I'll find out, figure out. But I think that's going to be it. I do have to take this down and dust this. But every item that you see on my porch area was thrifted. Yard sales. I don't think I got anything for a thrift store. Estate sales and yard sales. And I think every item that's up here, I repainted all of these items. And I think I didn't pay no more than, I think that was the most. And that was $8 for that chair. Everything else was probably about $3 or something like that. And I got another black one over there, but I'm not putting the black one up here because I'm saying it don't need it. I don't want it to be too crowded. So the black one probably would go on my back patio where I can put some more flowers at right by the door. A flower pot. So everything else is okay up here. It's getting, it's not dark yet, but the sun is getting ready to set. Didn't get a chance to do the hedges. I might do them. I don't know. I don't think so, though. And I didn't get this part done. But I do have my mulch in my driveway ready for all my yard items where I'm going to put the mulch in. And I'm going to do that probably next week. Early part of next week is the big cleanup day. Monday and Tuesday. So I'm going to be working diligently starting that morning. Getting the front, finishing up the front. And getting the garden prepped and ready. Hopefully I have help. I'm supposed to have 2 young men, 2 of my sons to come and help me. Supposedly. So hopefully they'll come and be able to be a great help towards their mom. So that will be done, and hopefully I get my grass cut between Monday and Tuesday as well. Anyway, I'm going to show you. I'm more the way and let you see the finished product. As you can see, it's just simple, nothing heavy. I didn't pressure wash the concrete or anything. Just got it just clean, door clean, everything clean. It'll be nice to put something on the door too, and maybe a sign or something brass on both sides by the door, and a wreath or something in the middle of the door, that would be nice. I think that would be great while I'm looking at it right now. And put a plant right on that stand, a white stand, and maybe put something right here on the red one. Maybe a sign or something over here, but nothing too fancy, because that's going to be for my coffee and stuff in the morning, or what I want to sit. And in the chair, I was going to make a pillow to go in there, but I wouldn't leave it out here. So that if I make one, it's going to be one that I bring out with me. So I think it looked very nice and clean and tidy. I'm going to take a picture of it soon. And that's it for today. So all the other stuff that I have that took off, it's going to be put to the side. I got to dump all the flower pots and get them washed up, get them cleaned up, rinsed out, put new soil and stuff in it, and repurpose the soil I have. I'm not going to throw it away. And put it up and put some flowers in. I do have some daisies I bought. And also I'll be getting some more at the Plant and Flower Festival in Casey this week, while we videotaping and showing you more of that. So this is Miss Tish, just doing what you do with Miss Tish. Hey, front porch makeover maybe, and this will be underneath the subdivision garden. Well, anyway, have a blessed one, and until next time, be blessed and talk to you soon. Bye now.